Hi guys, welcome to my workshop. I'm Samuele, I'm CEO and founder of Stenopeika large format cameras. I help the traditional photographer to choose the right equipment for their business. So today in these quick videos, I hope I would like to explain you better the difference between my two kinds of camera that I made, folding camera and tailboard camera. So for this video, first of all, I would like to inform you that we will use two different kind of cameras. So not only for the model, this is a folding, this is a tailboard, but also a format. This is 8 by 10 inch and this is 5 by 7 inch. So first different, the opening setup. So this is the folding camera is a classic. The back body you need to open. You start with back bodies and you finish with the front and shift it. So this is the folding camera. So I would like to show you the setup of tailboard camera. You move the baseboard, you unblocking the focus, open the camera, open the back body. Okay, the camera is ready to work. So, but the most important difference between these two kinds of models, for me, is the possibility to change the camera. So, this is the folding cameras is a closed system. So it's like, I don't know, Apple, like iPhone. You have everything is closed in this kind of world. Tailboard camera is open. Well, that if you are a photographer that with a clear idea of your photography, so you know that you made only, I don't know, for example 8 by 10 inches film and you want to go outside, if for you the photography is this, so folding camera is perfect for you. But if you haven't got a clear idea of the format, for example, if you want like to work with collodion and you know that with glass you have many possibilities to change the format. So if you haven't got a clear idea of your future format that you want to arrive, and you don't need, for example, the movement, because you need to know only a portrait, so you need only some movement, not every movement. So the tailboard permits it, because because tailboard born in this configuration without movement, without nothing, but you can increase it in the second time without to change the camera. What I mean that I start, for example, with this camera that is 5 by 7 inches inches, but if after 1 year I would like to arrive to make a 8 by 10, for example, you don't change the camera. Not you change only the back body, because I explained it in the previous video, but I explain you again. You can remove all of these parts and you can change it with a body bigger than it, and use the same camera but with a different form. And also you can add, for example, the movement on the back, on the front, or only on the back, or on the front. So you can. This is the open camera, and you can choose your preferred configuration directly on the website. The difference between this kind of camera is the price. This is a camera. This is a complete camera, so you can do nothing. You can change nothing. So the price is for a complete camera. In this case, you change the configuration and you choose your budget. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have some questions, some doubts, please comment this video directly on YouTube or send me an email that you find in my website. So for today is everything. I say hi, ciao a tutti.